today we will be unboxing the new album of BTS, Arirang. So I got the Rooted in Music version. I got mine at JB Hi-Fi and I'm very excited. It has been how many years? 4 years since I've done an unboxing. Here it is. To be honest, I've watched unboxing videos on TikTok because there are 3 versions of the album. There is Rooted in Korea, Rooted in Music, and Living Legend. And so let's see, here it is. Okay, so when you open the box, this is what you see. So you'll be greeted by the album CD and then the title of the tracks, and then we have here the inclusions, the photo book. It's the photo book, and then we have here the film strips. There are 7 of them, one each for each member. And then of course we have the photo cards. So here on the side are the titles of the songs in the album, and on this side is the CD itself. So let's see. So it has a sleeve. I believe this is the lyrics to these songs. So this is how it is. There you go. And also at the back. Okay, I'll give that a read later. Let's just put this back. And then the CD. Oh, this is so cute. It's just now that I noticed the detail of this, the pocket. So it shows you in each square a picture of the members. I love details like that. There you go. And let's go on to the inclusions. So the photo book, this one, the film strips, and the photo cards. I'll go in with the photo strips first. Ooh. Jin, Suga, J-Hope, Jimin, V, and Jungkook. This is RM. This is Jin. This is Suga. This is J-Hope. This is Jimin. This is V. And this is Jungkook. And then let's see the photo cards of each member. This is RM. This is Jin, Suga, J-Hope, Jimin, V, and Jungkook. This is RM. this is Jin, which is super cute. Kahit hindi ko naman nakita yung buo niyang face. There you go. This is Suga. This is J-Hope. This is Jimin. This is V. And this is Jungkook. Super cute. And now we move on to the photo book. Let me just have a look. Like, oh my gosh, he's so handsome. Look. Oh my goodness. Okay. Let's see. Ooh. I feel like this is good because it's not glossy. It's matte, so you wouldn't, be bothered to like touch the pages. Oh my goodness. The side profile of Kim Seokjin. Ang pogi din ni Suga. J-Hope. Wow. This is Jimin. V. Okay. In this album, this photo book, we see Jungkook's tattoo. And then some BTS photos. Ooh, next part. After the photos, you have like messages for each page. This is from Ryan. And then they wrote on the page after. For Jin, you wrote in Korean. You just see that. Also, Suga. These guys how they write. J-Hope. Jimmy writes so well. Look at that. So nice handwriting. Also, V. And Jungkook. Ooh, there's another part. There's another part. So this photo is part. I know these are group photos. Oh no, then like a different part. Look at this. Uneasiness. I do like. Wow. So cute. And then on the side also have like messages. So RM obviously wrote in English. He's like, originally reading so long. To me, this is 2.0. Are going to English, wonders and wonders. Wonders and wonders. Oh my goodness. Their rose hits together. Oh my gosh. So cute. I feel like this is all written in pencil for some reason Jin doesn't know how to use a eraser. Because in his hand touch, literally, it is. Already, it's not available. It's a touch. Okay. So this is the front cover of the photo book. And then here is the second part of the photo book. This is the cover. It's really nice. So that's it for my unboxing of the new album. Now that I've seen what's inside the Rooted in Music version, I kind of want to like have the Rooted in Korea version because that's a different, they did a different photo shoot for that. Also for the Living Legend version. From what I saw, because I checked from Weverse, the Living Legend version has like posters, big posters of all of them, the 7, and also each of the members. So let's see. Okay, that's it for my unboxing of the Rooted in Music Arirang album, and see you next time.